morning, people! Good morning, Mia! Punta na tayo sa kanyang dress rehearsal for her ballet today. Saturday, guys. Today is Saturday. And merong competition si Daddy. So, Mommy is taking Mia to ballet today. So, dress rehearsal nila today pero hindi siya naka-costume kasi last week, hindi siya pumunta kasi may ubo siya. And then, before that week as well, Daddy didn't know na pwede na kunin yung costume. So, that's why hindi pa naka-costume si Mia. But that's okay. Pwede niya na din naman suotin dun sa studio. Ang lamig today, guys. 10 degrees. Hala, pa-empty na yung tank. Sana hindi tayo maubusan ng fuel. Ate, umiilaw na ang tank. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, wag naman po. Nagmamadali kami ni Mia po. Kaya mo pa? Sana makaabot pa tayo dun sa ballet mo, Mia. Walk home without a car. We walk home? We can't walk home. What if it will rain? We'll get wet. Oh, ang lamig-lamig. It is cold. Ang haba na ng buhok mo, Mia. Ang haba na ng buhok niya talaga, guys. We need to get our hair done, ate. Maybe before your birthday. Yeah, both of us. Ang haba na din ng buhok ko, guys. Hanggang bewang ko na siya, kahaba. And parang this is my first time na magpahaba ng buhok hanggang bewang. Super bigat na, guys. Super bigat na ng buhok ko. Tapos, speaking of buhok, ang dami kong hair loss. Ang daming nawawala. Ano na siya. Nagsished ako. Nagsished. Kakaloka yung shed. We are shedding. Charot. Grabe talaga siya mag-shed. Grabe naman talaga yung hair ko. As in, grabe, ang dami-dami talaga pag nagsha-shower, pag tawag dito, sumusuklay, ang dami. Sabi ko, mabuti na lang ang kapal ng buhok ko para hindi ako mamroblema. So, sobrang kapal ng buhok ko, sabi ko, okay lang yan. Ang super kapal naman. Okay lang yan. At least mabawasan yung bigat. Pero nakakatakot naman, guys. Baka makalbo tayo sa sobrang dami. As in talaga. My goodness, my hair. Postpartum hair loss is real. Nung kay Mia, naalala ko meron naman. Pero hindi naman sobrang dami yun, guys. Naalala ko, I was using the... Yes?
When my jelly was over here a long time, it became cold in here. Because today the weather is cold.
Yes.
And it's gonna make it cold.
That's right. Oh, new gas station. 7-Eleven. Speaking of 7-Eleven, I need to... Di pa nga lang sila open. Open na ba sila? Parang hindi pa. I need to top up. Ayun, naalala ko kay Mia na I was using the keratin treatment that time. And parang feeling ko, it helps. Kasi Wala akong di ako ng problema nun sa sobrang daming hair loss. Yes, ate.
I can go there or tomorrow.
We're going to the ballet now. I think they're starting and you haven't got your costume yet. We have to change you there. 9:45. Ay, hindi. Early pala tong ating 9:44. Pero malapit na.
I can be naked in there.
I think so. But I'll cover you, okay? I got you, girl.
Yeah, you better cover.
I got you, girl.
No, I know. I can take you to the bathroom because they have a bathroom there with a toilet there.
Oh, yes, you can be there. But you don't need to. We're not going inside. You're only allowed, mommy's only allowed to stay outside and you're allowed to go inside, okay? Okay? So you have to hurry when I'll take off your clothes and then we put your dress on and you go inside straight away. Is that a deal? That sounds good. That sounds good to me. I want to eat some churro. You want to eat churros after? They have churros there. Or maybe we'll take it away because Kai Kai's waiting for us. Churros.
Yeah, I do want yours.
You want churros?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want it. I never tried it yet with you.
I
You
never...
never tried it too, right?
We eat it together. What do you mean? The one with dip. You like your favorite dip?
No,
What do you mean you haven't tried?
We didn't even eat it for a long time. Because
Oh, yeah, we haven't eaten it for a long time. That's right.
So just buy it today.
Okay, we'll buy it today if it's not raining. Okay, we run, okay? Okay, are you gonna run?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Nakaabot kami, guys. Very good.
Mommy, can I eat?
Yes.
Mommy, can I eat one of my jelly?
Yeah. Back in the car. Pakalamig. Pakalamig. Umuulan na, guys. Sobrang lamig. And si Mia, hindi yan naka super thick na damit. Hindi ko chinek yung weather eh. Super warm kasi sa bahay. Ayan tuloy. Anyway, punta tayo ng mall. Punta tayo ng Filipino shop kasi may Filipino shop na dito kaka-open lang. So, perfect. We're going there to buy stuff. And babalik ako sa Kmart kasi bibilin ko yung kailangan kong bilhin na hindi ko nabili kahapon because of Daddy. Guys, na-stuck kami ni Mia sa car kasi grabe man yung ulan. Malapit na naman yung entrance pero ayoko kasing mabasa. Parang itong batang itong mababasa. She's eating her jelly. Tingnan nyo yung ulan. Ayan. Andun lang kami. Andito lang kami sa tapat ng entrance. But it's raining so hard. Yeah, ate?
We would be stuck here until 9.
Until night?
Yeah.
Yeah, take off your seatbelt. You don't have makeup anymore. You have a sticker though. I see your sticker? Wow, nice.
It didn't get off because I didn't take it off because I forgot.
You forgot.
Yeah, I didn't take it off because I forgot that it had.
Wala na siyang makeup. Na-erase na yung makeup. So, oh, you have a raincoat actually. You can put that on. That one. The raincoat.
Yeah.
Try putting that on so you're not gonna get wet. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know I had a raincoat. Do you have an umbrella?
I have an umbrella, so that's perfect. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, but did we stay in the car because you can't bring me because I will still go in the rain?
Yeah, I don't want you to get wet.
Yes, so that's why I did. And you have a granny there. Yes, still it.
But we still have to use umbrella, okay?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, dali, try to put it on. Ito pa, yun pa yung kailangan niya, guys. Matagal na yan. Maiksi. Yung parang, hindi siya raincoat talaga. Jacket siya. Jacket siya na, tawag dito. Hindi ka mapabasa na parang raincoat. Yeah. Super super iksi na sa kanya. Oh. Parang jacket lang siya. Oh, there. Pag-alis namin sa bahay, tulog pa si Kaiso. Ang sarap ng tulog ng ating dudong. Dede yun siya mga... Ano oras ba yun siya nagdede? Mga 4 ata, guys. Nagising din ako kasi pinadede ko siya sa akin. So, pinadirect clutch ko siya and okay na yung breast ko. Hindi na siya masakit. Yung nipples na lang masakit sa left side. So, lagi ko siyang pinapalatch sa right kasi masakit yung left. And, yeah, pinamp after ko mag-feed sa kanya, kaninang umaga, nagpump din ako. Just to make sure na hindi na tayo ulit magkaka-engorge. Yeah, perfect, ate. Sige, close it. Yes. See, parang jacket lang naman talaga siya. Kasi, yeah. And you have to cover your hair so you don't get wet.
With my hoodie. Oh,
Yes.
I can wear my hair.
Yeah, cover your hair. Perfect. Alright, so are you ready to go inside?
Yay! I'm trying.
Yeah?
That girl was asking.
Can you lock your Crocs? Lock it. Lock. So, because we're gonna run. Punta tayo ng Dote kasi ibabalik ko to. Pinapabalik ng sister-in-law ko. Di ko alam kung pwede nila i-accept. Kasi sa kabilang shop yan. And naka-sale yan dun. Pero dito sa shop na to, nakita ng sister-in-law ko na hindi daw siya naka-sale.
Mommy!
Oh.
On my foot.
Did you get wet?
Yeah, I got wet on my foot.
Is it wet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright. Alright. We'll get these. May portable blender sila. Naka-sale, oh. 18 na lang. Portable mini blender. Eto. Tapos ito yung mini. That's really nice. Nakikita ko to sa TikTok. Masyado na siya. What is it, Mia? What is it?
Bye.
Ano to? Money sponges. It's a bike.
Bye. What is this you for?
That's a pizza cutter. Yeah. Gusto niya to bilhin. Yung sponges. Oh, what is this? What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna do something with all the tape.
The tape?
No, I need all the paint.
Ah.
And also, can you just find the blue tape around Kmart because I need blue tape for it.
Blue tape? No. Itong batang to. Ito, lalagyan ng sponge. Dalawa. Yes, lalagyan ng sponge. Tapos, ano pa? You don't have socks. This is mine.
Mommy, I want to try it by myself.
Wait, I'm trying to remove it first.
Can we play now?
It's dirty. I have to find another one. Try it. I think they have it on the other side.
That's it. Great.
But if you wear socks, yeah, that's sweet. Other one? I have to find another size actually. Let's light up. It's cute. You like it? You like? You still have space? Does it have space? Yeah. This looks dirty. Come.
I wonder where this one is though. It's nice.
Eh? You don't have. We have to pay. Your Crocs is over there. Ate. Mia. Nandito na kami sa Filipino shop. Do you wanna look around? You wanna get something?
Yeah.
Ito yung gusto ko. What do you want? May knick-knack na si Mia. What do you want? May pa-music sila. Yeah, Mommy's just looking around. You can look around too.
Okay, just make sure you don't go anywhere. Okay, just go next to it. I
Yeah.
will call you. Okay, you have to look like snake, okay?
Watch out. Otap. May otap sila. Ah, this one's coconut. This one, regular. Butter toast. Kuha ako nito. Ah! You like that? Last time we have that, you didn't eat. Just the chocolate one.
There's no chocolate.
Oh, there's no chocolate.
Okay, so I choose this for you instead of me.
Are you
I'll
sure?
Try it. I buy this for you and me. Okay, because you like it, right? Mommy, do you like this?
I like the chocolate one.
You like the chocolate one? You
Yeah.
can buy this too.
Can you get the chocolate one?
Yeah, you might be over there.
Saan na siya? Where are you?
There's no chocolate.
Where did you get this?
I got it from over there.
Spicy ranch. Ito, garlic chili. Meron din silang hopya ubi, guys. Masarap yung hopya munggo. Which one do you want? That's mochi. That's not popsicle. Yeah. Okay, come on. Close it. Ito yung mga frozen nila. Ha? May bangos din sila, guys. Ito yung paborito kong bangos eh. Meron ba silang tuyo? Danggit? Ano ba yung nandito? Ay, danggit. Danggit. Wala yung galunggong. Ah, okay. Ganito yung itsura. Yes, ate. Ganito yung itsura. Ayoko niyan. Ah. What did you get? This one, Mommy's favorite, Tommy.
Look, Mommy, look what I got. Look what I got, Mommy.
What's that?
Look up there.
Mommy will get Mr. Chips.
Can I buy this to try it?
Yeah, you can.
I'll get two.
Okay. And what else? That's it. I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's it too. We were gonna buy a little bit, but we got a lot.
That's true.
Yeah.
Peas, pork siomai, pork sisig, lumpiang gulay, tsaka may chicken skin. May lumpiang sariwa. Ang dami nilang food. Mag-haul tayo ng bibilisan. So, ito yung mga nabili ko from Filipino shop. So, we have 3 bags here. Nag-accept sila ng mga ganitong bag. Diba, online lang to. Sabi ko, oh, meron ako niyan. Tinatapon ko, te. So, sabi ko, dadalhin ko dito. Tapos, bigay ko sa'yo. So, ayan. We have dato pite. We have the butter toast. Kinain, ay, nasaan na yung mochi? Ay, nalaglag. Kinain na ni Mia. Nagpabili siya nito. Mochi. Ano tawag dito? Strawberry cream. Hindi niya bet. So,
Mom, can I play with my
may natira.
coffee now?
Hmm?
Can I play with my nail coffee now?
Okay lang siya.
Can I play
Yeah, you
with
can
my
open that.
now?
Boy bawang.
Hey, can I play with this, please?
Banana ketchup. Chili, sweet chili.
Mom, can you pass me scissors? I need it. I'll be
Four
right back.
season, dalawa to.
I need scissors.
Ayan.
Pass me scissors.
Come here. Here. Tommy, dalawa. Ito yung paborito ko ng mga lasa ng chips. Afritada sauce. Dalawang Delimondo garlic chili na corned beef. That's done. Ito, masarap to guys. Yung butterscotch bites. Yan.
You forgot.
Super bilis ko lang maubos
Show
yan.
it to the people.
Yeah, come here. Show people. Oh, naubos na ni Mia yung isang knick-knack. That's from Kmart. What you get from Kmart?
Can you put the camera down so I can...
Okay.
And hi guys, my name is also Mia and this is my mommy that's talking to you, showing the things that she bought from Kmart. And this is what toy I got from Kmart too.
Okay, you can open it.
Yay!
Kaloka. May pa-introduction pa siya ng name niya. And we have crispy chicken isaw, spicy. Ayan. And then we have milky nuts. Yung parang pretzel. Dalawa to kinuha ni Mia kasi gusto niya daw i-try. Ayan. And dalawang Mr. Chips. And then 2 more knick-knack. Ayan. Wala silang malaki eh. Maliliit lang. Yung parang ano lang, snack lang na size. Pang snack na size. So, ayun. And then, dalawang bangus because it's my favorite. Ayan. Dalawang malaki. Lagay ko na sa freezer. And may mga ulam sila dun. So, I've got chicken skin. And I've got siomai. Ito pala. Yan, itsura. Ito yung chicken skin. Yan. So, marami silang nakabalot dun kanina. And, ubi biko. Ayan. Kanina pa kami umalis dun sa mall, guys. Nag-drive lang kami ni Mia papuntang Morley to get the food na in-order ng pinsan ni V. Kasi may in-order siyang food and ngayon may competition sila. So, hindi niya mapipick up. So, ako yung nag-pick up. And nandito yung food. Masarap to siya. Vietnamese food to siya. So, mayroong banh mi. Ang dami. Yeah, ang daming banh mi. Ano siya, ano tawag dyan sa bread na yan? Nakalimutan ko. Ayan. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Ang sarap nitong neto. Parang siya, meron siyang mga, parang intestine ba yun?
Can I color in the
Yeah. Basta, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, mainit-init pa yan actually. It's good to eat now. Ito lang yung nabili natin sa Filipino shop. 178 na yung binayaran ko. Am I right? 178 na to? Wala akong receipt, pero sinandala sa number ko yung receipt. And 178 for sure yung binayaran ko. Oh, 182.85. Ayan, 182.85 guys. Grabe. Bumili pa ako walis tambo. Oh my gosh, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating walis. Yeah. So, yan lahat yung binayaran. Ito lang lahat 182.85 na. Sobrang mahal talaga ng Filipino food. My goodness. Nangyari sa world. Ay. Tada! We have walis tambo. Guys, ito naman yung nabili ko sa Kmart. We have the paper towel holder. Gusto ko kasi nakadikit siya sa cabinet. And then, ito yung sa sink na ilalagay natin. Hindi ko kinuha yung maliit na black. Yun sa nabala ko. Pero nakita ko to. Sabi ko, ay, mas maganda to. And then, yung boots ni ate. Siya na talagang may pa-boots. Nakalimutan ko, gusto ko ibalik yung plato ni Kai na suction, yung binili natin kahapon. Kasi tinay ko siya sa table, hindi siya nagsa-suction, guys. So, the suction is not working. But then, I lost the receipt. So, hinanap ko siya kagabi, hindi ko mahanap yung receipt. So, I don't think I can bring it back. But, yeah. Whew! I need to pump. And si Kai na sa taas. I think, finifeed siya ng kapatid ko. But I think kanina pa yun eh, mga 12. It's now 1. No, diba? Masarap naman itong mochi. And Mia is coloring the unicorn already. What are you doing, ate? Yeah, good job. Ito yung paper towel holder. Tapos meron siyang sticky thing there. And gusto ko siya ilagay dito. Sa aming, para hindi siya sagabal. Yeah. Diba? Very, very nice. Yeah, ganyan. No. Or sa loob. I think mas better na sa labas. So, let's do that, guys. Pag naglagay, ang problema. Gani mo pa gani. Bi, dito ni butang bi. Ang paper towel holder. Dalaw. Dire. Hindi ko lapit sa Dire mo yung butang. Hindi ko na siya mapasulod. Dire, huwag ka nga.
Guys, over here.
Ay, ang tigil mo. Ilang tao, Bet? Ikaw mo maglaya ng India. Abe, try it. Oo, kung baka sa dahil. Hindi. Palindiri ko. Palindiri ko na pasunod ko. Ang nasa o? Ang pagami ko. Ano siya? Mami, napila na ang tudong. I miss you.
Mia looks so pretty.
I miss you.
Why do you have a pretty hair right now, Mia?
Pila na nakabilis, kina-practice iyang side-side nga, laying down. Tapos, dumapo.
Nag-break dance agad niya?
Kai! Wala ka pa napilaw? Mapamtanay si Mami, ha? Mapam si Mami, ha? Ay, manami ilang. May mga sudan pa. Sudan galing camera ko.
Nasa Pinoy?
Hindi. Ang meaning, bakla ko Pilipino ka. Diba sa mga nila? Siguro lang. Kai, parang si Pochi na ikaw dyan, Kai. He's biting your chase. Kai. Oh. Position niya mo. Naka-side. Parang gustong umupo. Ate Miel, let me see your face.
Salam ko, kulang.
Wow!
Joy, okay.
Pretty girl.
Talagang kulang.
Yeah, I can't eat all of it, babe.
Huh?
I only eat the black.
Ay, niya, gusto mo na eh?
Yeah. Don't add that. That's enough. Huh?
Mommy, can you get water in the cup and then I'm doing it because
Okay. Ito yung binili niya, guys. Vietnamese dish to. Mga intestine. I don't know.
Ito na nasatos?
Yeah, I think that's enough. Tapos may sabaw. Tapos isawsaw mo yung banh mi. Ganun. Wow. Look at this
I did a
unicorn.
star.
Wow, may kasama siyang tattoo. And tingnan nyo, nag-tattoo din sa kamay.
Look at that thing get off.
Yeah. Show me the back of
Only
the
get, no,
unicorn.
only get off in water. I'll
Oh.
try in water.
Okay, show me the unicorn at the back.
Which unicorn?
This one. Oh, you put all the at the back as well. The sparkly. May kasama siyang ganito.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, look! The hair! Well done!
The hair looks
Did
more
you
good.
follow that one? Tinalo niya to.
No, that's different.
Oh,
that
that's
one
different.
looks more bad. So I'll
Oh,
use this one instead.
Okay. Hello guys! Kain tayo. Hingay mo, Mia. Natulog ko si Kai pero nagising man siya, guys. Paglagay ko sa bed. Gising na siya.
Mommy! Mommy!
Yeah?
What kind? He's actually doing. Hey, what is doing here? Here. Here.
What is Ate doing to you, Kai?
Mommy, what's hard? What's hard? What's hard? He's moving!
Yeah, of course it's moving. It's been crawling. Ayan, ito yung in-order ng pinsan ni Dave. Tingnan nyo siya. Ito lang yung gusto kong kinakain. Ayan. Tapos, ang dami niya ng laman. Meron siyang mga ganito. Ayan. Tapos, meron din intestine na super laki. Yung parang, yung isaw. Super laki naman. Ayan siya. Masarap siya guys. Parang curry. Ayan. Yellow siya na yellow. Yellow ba to? Yellow nga. Tapos dinidip nila yung banh mi or bread, baguette sa sabaw. Ang sarap niya. As in, parang curry siya. Ang dami niyang laman. Meron siyang ganito. Yung parang stripes. Ayan. Masarap siya. What is Ate doing? Huh? Ano?
Over there! Hey!
Ginawa mo man yung aso yung kapatid mo. Pinapahabol niya yung kapatid niya sa car, si Chase. Kinahabol ni Kesha kasi gumagalaw din. Yun kinokontrol ni Mia sa remote control. Kaya habol ng habol. Oh my God.
Oh my God, guys, look at this.
Here. Let me roll. Dip it and then you bite.
Yum!
Yeah. I know. It's yum. You want more?
Yum.
Come. Just drink water because it's a bit spicy when you eat after. Eat all of it. Here. I got a free Boost juice. Kasi, di ba may app sila? Pag na-reach mo na yung end ng free, parang 10 ba yun? You get free Boost juice.
Look at it, look at it.
Mag-haul tayo, guys. We have dalawang malalaking bags. So, I ordered this from Shein.